I'm Amy Lykosh, and I work for a homeschooling company. I do not know anything about Facebook because I don't even have a business Facebook page. I mean, I scan Facebook to find out what people are talking about in my industry, but I don't do much besides that. So when I came to this workshop, I felt a little bit like a preschooler going to a graduate level class. I was slightly intimidated. I took 10,000 words of notes and just tried to absorb all that I could. And so I felt like conceptually there were a lot of really helpful foundational things like the customer journey, that if you're doing a Google search, you come in at a different place than you do if you are on Facebook. That Facebook is a lot of cold traffic and you need to warm them up. You need to introduce them, you need to nurture them. You kind of just need to be their friend. That is really nice. And that was one of my superpowers, is that I do friendship well. So that's perfect. It was really empowering to feel like I could do that, and that is even part of my skill set. And then it was also really exciting to hear all of the different ways that you can be creative and the ways that you can kind of systematize how you think about things in order to generate new ideas. If someone's on the fence about coming, if they are not spending anything on Facebook, they maybe shouldn't come. If they're really spending much at all, that coming would be a good use of their time and money. It's a good investment to say, rather than blow, $15,000 in 3 months, you could just come and learn how to do it right for a lot less than that.